So my phone is saying that there is a winter weather advisory in effect from today until tomorrow. It's supposed to snow. Wow. I think we know what that means. It's snowing a little bit already. It's supposed to mainly start snowing after 1 p.m. and it's about 11:45, so we better get going. I'm so excited. It's beautiful out here. I am getting warm. Definitely have to change out of my sweaty used clothes once I'm done setting up the camp. It's so magical out here. Like really, it's so beautiful. Yay, we made it! Getting hungry. Ew. Lucy's a little cold, so I put her in there. It's getting cold. I'm gonna get this up and then start making my fire because the snow is coming in. I wasn't sure what the wood situation would be like, so I did bring some kindling to start and a little bit of fire starter. But I mean, there's a lot of dry stuff around here, and it's not like a heavily trafficked camped area usually, so you know, like some places you go out into the woods where there's designated camp spots and stuff, and like there's just no wood around. I swear, this fucking Big Agnes chair, yeah, they could have designed it differently. Like, it doesn't even have a loop for you to pull to get it over the things. It's hard. I used to be like a muscle man. Oh, whew. Feels so good. Chicken in a pouch. I will be having that. And with butter and herb fettuccine. Okay, it's boiling. Holy shit. That could have been bad. The fire burned to the ground. Fuck yeah. This is like perfect conditions. It's so beautiful. And it's so nice there wasn't that much snow on the ground, so I could really like pack it down as much as I could in my little camp spot. Oh, pine needles. I guess there'll be pine needles in my coffee. I've been longing for adventure, like a change in routine, something to get me out of my regular life. Not that I don't absolutely love my routines, because I do, but there's something so exhilarating about stepping into an unknown forest or a mountainside. I find so much peace when I'm surrounded by like real silence, where all I hear is a bird here, there, a crackling fire, snow falling from a pine tree, or even my own voice. I've had so many people tell me I'm crazy or brave or whatever for like going out into the wilderness, into the backcountry alone. And don't get me wrong, like I usually feel pretty anxious before I go. And yeah, there's been times where I've like actually been afraid. I always find myself imagining these like terrible what ifs, like a million things going through my head, but then like, once you're out here, it's so wide open. You can see everything all around you, and all that fear that you tend to have before going out here just kind of fades away at night, because that tends to be like the scariest thing for people. You know, you always have either a really bright night sky full of millions of stars, or if you don't have that, sometimes you'll have a blinding moon that'll even keep you awake at night. And if you have none of that, you almost always have a roaring bright fire that kind of lulls you to sleep. It really is like the best kind of therapy that there is for me, and it's always better when you have a dog by your side for comfort and companionship, and they usually provide a good laugh too. The fire's going out. Well, not going out, but it's all burned down. log for later. My camera is acting weird. I think it got too cold or something, so just eating dinner. And of course, Lucy wants to stick her head out when I'm eating. Not any other time though, huh, Lucy? You look so sad. But you ate a lot today. I fed you extra. So my camera, I think it got too cold. And the sensor is acting weird, so iPhone it is. But it's like 9 o'clock. Got my bedtime, sleepy time tea. And here's Lucy. She's all bundled up, and the worst thing happened. It's not the worst thing, but I was trying to get Lucy to move over so I could get her off the pad, put my other pad, switch it around or something like that. And so I took my sleeping pad that I was going to use and I kind of put it outside the tent while I was rustling around in here, and I was like, oh, fuck. And I looked behind me and it was literally in the fire. So I was like, oh, fuck. I was so upset. I swear, every trip I have, something's got to happen. I feel like that's the same for everyone, though. Maybe. Or is it just me? So I tried putting moleskin on it, and that didn't work. But yeah, we're just chilling. I think I'm going to finish my Sudoku, maybe do another one, finish my tea, maybe stretch because my back freaking hurts. Yay! I'm definitely having fun, though. And I really hope my camera works tomorrow. I think it just got too cold. It's like 10 degrees and it was sitting out there, so hopefully it can defrost. I'm trusting that this is in focus because I just recorded a whole monologue about chocolate. And how someone needs to invent a cup holder for the ground. Basically like some sort of tripod sort of thing that sits on the ground that you can put your cup in, because I've been stuck just holding my cup and I haven't done any Sudoku because I'm stuck holding my cup. Because the rest of the monologue was about chocolate, how delicious it is, and how my theory is that I think it would give you good dreams because dark chocolate in particular releases happy chemicals in your brain like dopamine or something. And cheese, on the other hand, gives you crazy dreams if you eat it before bed. Not sure why that is. I don't know, maybe it's the mold in it. I don't know. Anyways, this might be the end of tonight, and I might just see you in the morning. Before I go to bed, I would like you all to see my technique. It's wonderful. So, earlier I boiled water, and I put it in this water sack, put it at the foot of my sleeping bag because my feet get real cold. Then, feet have been in there, have these feet warmers that stick. Doing that. Then I'm sticking my whole foot in this booty. And that is it for the night. And I will see you in the morning. Good morning. Lucy's hungry, so I have to get up. And my shoes are completely frozen. It's like frozen solid. Are you hungry, Lucy? It's beautiful out. So I have like a 2-string carabiner pulley system. It's snowing. Untie this one. And then, yeah, it lowers the food real easily. To get the other one down, to untie this one. Now you just pull on this one. And it pulls the second carabiner down. See? I think I heard Lucy bark. Oh, she's in the tent. Then I heard someone else's dog bark. It's a winter wonderland. When I got here, there was no snow on the trees. Just wait a second, Lucy. I'm getting you some water. This is what beanies do to my hair. Yeah. Electric looking Einstein do. Yeah, we need to fix this. All packed up. Ready to go, Goose? She's ready to go. Okay, bye campground. Look how big of a hole that fire made. Ready to go, Lucy? This way, come on. Wow, it did snow a bit, I guess. And it's snowing now. I can hardly see where it came in from. Stay, let me get that off you, baby. Stop. You having fun? Made it to the car. I'm just making one last cup of coffee before I leave. And then, yeah, the drive home. I'm glad I put chains on before I walked out there because it definitely snowed. So, thanks for watching. Thanks for joining. And yeah, see you next time.